morning, guys. Let me show you what's in my lunchbox for work today.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing.
Sandwich, some blueberries, and I've got some tomato, avocado, and carrots. I've got a kiwi, I've got a peach. I love my peach. I've got a peach. Oh, I want to do that like the housewife. A peach, and I've got beetroot and carrots juice, and I also have my tea bag. So lunch ready, lunch prep, and it's time to get myself ready for work. Bye. Oh guys, I got my new headphone back. You know, I brought my other headphone and it came this morning, so I am happy with my new headphones. Let's check it out. It's the ride out today. I got something in my eye. Don't know what it is. I know it's my eyeballs, but something else is there. Yeah. What's going on here? No. It's a busy one today. I mean, what you guys doing today? What you guys doing today? Are you staying in? Are you doing the laundry? Or you're gonna watch a show? You're going to the movies? What are you doing today? Drop it in the comments. For me, another work day, another work week. Guys, go over to the channel, like up the videos, say something to me in the comments. Keep it nice and sweet. Keep it friendly. You know. I spy. What do you spy on it? A yellow bus. Oh, tried something today. I'm on my way to work, guys. Are you jogging today like this guy? He's got good firm legs. Yeah. Anyway. Oh, Santander is back out. You can tell it's a springtime coming up. The bikes are back outside. Listen, Have a wonderful day. Love.